Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a shopping center. In this video, you will follow a short and simple story about two friends, Sam and Mina, who meet at a shopping mall and spend the day shopping together. They visit several places, like a clothing store, a shoe store, a bookstore, and a food court. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What color jacket does Sam recommend for Mina? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Oh, hi, Sam. Is that you?
Hey, what a surprise. I didn't know you came here.
Yeah, I was surprised too. I didn't expect to see you here today.
So what are you doing here? Are you shopping?
Yes, I came to buy some clothes. I need something new for spring. The weather is getting warmer, so I want some light clothes.
That's nice. Spring is my favorite season. I love the warm weather.
Me too. How about you? What are you doing here today?
I'm just looking around. I don't have any special plan today. I was bored at home, so I came here.
Oh, really? Then do you want to walk around together? It will be more fun together.
Sure, that sounds like a great idea. I'd love to. Where do you want to go first?
I want to check the clothing store on the second floor. They always have nice things.
Okay, let's go there first. Do you know where the escalator is?
Yes, it's over there on the right. Let's take the escalator. It's faster than the elevator.
Good idea. Let's go.
I'm excited. I haven't been shopping in a long time.
Really? When was the last time you went shopping?
Maybe 2 months ago. I've been busy with school.
Well, today is a good day to relax and have fun. Let's enjoy it.
Wow, there are so many clothes here. I don't know where to start.
Yeah, this store is really big. What kind of clothes are you looking for? A shirt? A jacket?
I want a light jacket for spring, something I can wear every day.
Okay. How about this area? There are many jackets over here. Let's look.
Oh, I like this one. The design is cute. What do you think, Sam?
That looks really nice on you. The design is simple and cool. I think it fits your style.
Thank you, but I can't decide on the color. They have white, black, and blue. What color do you like?
I think blue looks good on you. Blue is a nice color for spring.
Really? I usually wear black or white. I don't wear blue very often.
That's why you should try something different. Blue is bright and fresh. It looks great on you.
Okay, you're right. Let me try the blue one. Oh, wait. I need to check the size. Do they have my size?
What size do you wear?
I need a size small. Let me look. Oh no, there's only medium and large here.
That's too bad. Maybe they have more sizes in the back of the store. You should ask someone who works here.
Good idea. but I feel a little shy asking in English. What should I say?
Don't worry, it's easy. Just say, "Excuse me, do you have this in a small?" Try it.
Okay, I'll try. Here I go. Excuse me, do you have this in a small?
That was perfect. Great job, Mina. See, you can do it.
Thank you. She said they will bring one from the back room. I'm so glad I asked.
See, it wasn't scary at all. You should always try. What else do you want to buy today?
Actually, I also want to look at some shoes. There is a shoe store downstairs.
Okay, great. Let's go there after you get the jacket.
Excuse me, I'm looking for sneakers. Can you help me?
Of course, I'd be happy to help. What kind of sneakers are you looking for?
Something for everyday use. I walk a lot, so I want something comfortable. Nothing too fancy.
I see. How about these? They are very popular right now. Many of our customers love them.
Oh, these are really cute. I like the white ones. Do you have these in a size 8?
Size 8? Let me check that for you. One moment, please.
Thank you. No problem.
Great news! Yes, we do have size 8 in white. Here you are.
Oh, wonderful. Can I try them on?
Of course. The fitting area is right over there. Please have a seat and try them on.
Thank you so much. Let me try them now.
Take your time. There's no rush. How do they feel?
They feel really comfortable, and they're so light, too. I can't believe how light they are.
Yes, they are one of our lightest shoes. Many people like them for walking and running.
That's exactly what I need. How much are they?
They are $75.
That's a little more than I expected. I was thinking around $60.
I understand, but actually, we have a special sale today. There is a 10% discount on all sneakers.
Oh, really? That's great. So that's about $67?
Yes, that's right. $67.50.
Okay, that's much better. I'll take them, please.
Wonderful choice. I'll bring them to the register for you. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new shoes.
Oh, look, there's a bookstore over there. Do you want to go in?
Sure. I love bookstores. They always have something interesting. Let's take a look.
Me too. I can spend hours in a bookstore. What kind of books do you usually read?
I usually read novels and short stories in Japanese, but lately I'm looking for a book in English.
That's a great idea. Reading in English is one of the best ways to study. It really helps.
I know, but most English books are too difficult for me. The words are hard and the sentences are long.
Don't worry about that. There are many easy books for beginners. You just need to find the right one.
Really? Can you help me choose one? I don't know which ones are good for me.
Of course. Let me see. How about this one? Look, it uses very simple words and short sentences.
Oh, you're right. The sentences are really short. I think I can understand this. The pictures are nice too.
Yeah, this book is really good for beginners. The stories are fun and easy to follow. I think you will like it.
That sounds perfect. How should I read it? Should I use a dictionary every time I find a new word?
Actually, at first, try to read without a dictionary. Just enjoy the story and keep going.
But what if I don't understand some words? I'm afraid I'll miss something important.
That's totally okay. You don't need to understand every single word. Just try to understand the main story. If you read more, you will learn new words naturally.
I see. That makes sense. That sounds like a good and easy way to study.
It really is. Reading helps your English so much. You should try this book. I think it will help your English a lot.
Okay, I'll buy it. Thank you for your help, Sam. You always give me good advice.
No problem at all. I hope you enjoy reading it. Let me know what you think later.
I will. Oh, I'm getting a little hungry now. All this walking made me hungry.
Me too. I'm really hungry. Let's go to the food court and get something to eat.
Finally, the food court. I'm so hungry. We walked around so much today.
Me too. I'm hungry and my feet are getting tired. I need to sit down.
Let's find a table first, and then we can get some food. Oh, there's an empty table over there.
Perfect. Let me put my bags down. Okay, so what do you want to eat? There are many choices here.
I want something light but delicious. How about you? What sounds good to you?
I want something warm, maybe soup or noodles. I always want warm food when I'm tired.
Oh, look at that place on the left. They have ramen. That's warm and delicious.
Ramen? That looks so delicious. I love ramen. Let's try that place.
Great idea. Let's go order. Do you know what kind of ramen you want?
I think I'll have the miso ramen. Miso is my favorite. What about you, Sam?
I'll try the spicy one. I love spicy food. The spicier, the better.
Really? I can't eat very spicy food. My mouth gets so hot and I can't taste anything.
That's okay. Everyone is different. Miso ramen is a great choice too. It's rich and tasty.
Do you want something to drink with your ramen?
Yes, I'll just get some water. I always drink water with spicy food. How about you?
I'll have green tea. I love green tea with Japanese food.
Nice choice. Okay, let me order for both of us. I'll say 2 ramens, please. 1 miso and 1 spicy.
Oh, Sam, you ordered so smoothly. You didn't even think about it.
It gets easier with practice. Next time, you should try ordering by yourself. I'll help you if you need it.
Okay, I'll try next time, I promise. Oh, look, the food is here already. That was so fast.
Wow, that was really fast. Let's eat. I can't wait.
This miso ramen is so good. It's perfect.
Mine is delicious too. The spicy flavor is amazing.
Can I try a little bit of yours?
Sure, go ahead, but be careful, it's really spicy.
Oh, wow, that is spicy. I need some water.
I told you. Here, have some water.
Thank you. Your ramen is tasty, but too spicy for me. I'll stay with my miso.
That's a smart choice. This place is really great. We should come here again.
Wow, it's already getting dark outside. We were here for a long time.
Yeah, time went by so fast I didn't notice at all. We had a really busy day.
I know. We went to so many stores. I had a really good time today, Sam. Thank you.
I had a great time too. It was really fun shopping with you. I enjoyed every moment.
Thank you for helping me today, especially with my English. You helped me talk to the store clerk, and you helped me find a good book.
Of course, I'm always happy to help. And you know what? Your English is getting much better. I can really see the improvement.
Really? Do you think so? I still make a lot of mistakes when I speak.
That's totally fine. That's how everyone learns. Mistakes are not bad at all. They actually help you improve and get better.
That makes me feel much better. Thank you for always being so kind and patient with me.
You talked to the shoe store clerk all by yourself today. That was really impressive. I was very surprised.
I was so nervous, though. My heart was beating so fast the whole time.
But you did it, and you did it really well. That's what matters most. You should be proud of yourself.
You're right. I want to practice even more. Can we come here again sometime? Maybe next weekend?
Of course. Let's definitely come again next weekend. We can visit new stores and try new food.
That sounds perfect. I'll practice some English before then, and I'll read the book I bought today.
That's a great plan. Read a little bit every day. Even 10 minutes is good. You'll see a big difference.
I will. Okay, I should go home now. It's getting late. See you next time, Sam.
See you next time, Mina. Get home safe, and don't forget to read your new book.
I won't forget. Bye, Sam. Have a good night.
Bye, Mina. Have a good night. See you soon.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What color jacket does Sam recommend for Mina? Did you find the answer? If you got the answer, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.